Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving into a question that's on a lot of Canadians' minds. Are robots coming for our jobs? You've seen the headlines, the sci-fi movies, the news reports about automation and artificial intelligence. It can feel a little scary, right? Like we're on the verge of a massive change where humans become obsolete. But is that the whole story? Stick around because we're going to unpack what the future of work really means for Canada. And I promise, it's not all doom and gloom. First, let's get one thing straight. Change is happening, and it's happening fast. A report from the Public Policy Forum and the Brookfield Institute highlighted that about 11% of Canadian jobs could be automated in the next 15 to 20 years, and almost 30% more will likely be transformed significantly. That sounds like a big number, and it is. We're talking about tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and rule-based. Think about data entry, certain assembly line work, or even some basic accounting tasks. AI and robots are simply better and more efficient at those specific things. But here's where it gets interesting. History is full of these moments. When the tractor was invented, did all farmhands become permanently unemployed? No. The nature of agricultural work changed. When computers became mainstream, did all office assistants disappear? No. Their roles evolved. They learned new skills and became more valuable. This isn't a story about Job asterisk, elimination asterisk. It's a story about Job asterisk, transformation asterisk. The Brookfield Institute for Innovation plus Entrepreneurship calls this creative destruction. Some jobs fade away, but new, often better ones are created in their place. So where are these new jobs coming from? Look at the sectors that are booming because of technology. We need people to design, build, and maintain these new automated systems. We need AI ethics specialists, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. Canada's tech sector is already a major driver of our economy, and it's only going to grow. We're also seeing a huge demand for skills that robots just can't replicate. I'm talking about creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Think about the healthcare sector. Yes, AI can help diagnose diseases more accurately, and robots can assist in surgeries. But can a robot provide the same empathy and compassionate care as a nurse? Can a machine comfort a scared patient or collaborate with a family on a long-term care plan? Not a chance. Our aging population means we'll need more healthcare workers, not fewer. Their jobs will just be enhanced by technology, freeing them up from tedious paperwork to focus on what truly matters: the human connection. The same goes for teachers, artists, social workers, and leaders. These are profoundly human-centric roles. Now, let's talk about what this means for you right now. The key takeaway isn't to be scared, it's to be prepared. The concept of lifelong learning is no longer just a buzzword. It's our new reality. The skills you have today might not be the skills you need in 5 or 10 years. The good news is, Canada is waking up to this. The federal government has programs like the Canada Training Benefit designed to help workers get the training they need to adapt. Colleges and universities are constantly updating their programs to meet the demands of the new economy. So what can you do? Be curious? If you're in a role that involves a lot of repetitive tasks, start thinking about the other parts of your job. Where do you use your problem-solving skills? Where do you collaborate with others? Focus on strengthening those areas. Look into online courses on platforms like Coursera or LinkedIn Learning. Maybe it's a short course on data analytics, or a workshop on digital marketing, or a certificate in project management. It's about adding tools to your professional toolkit, making you more adaptable and resilient. Let's look at a real-world example. The manufacturing industry in Ontario has seen massive changes. Many traditional assembly line jobs have been automated. But this has also led to the rise of advanced manufacturing. Now factories need robotics technicians, quality control specialists who can work with complex sensors, and supply chain managers who use sophisticated software to optimize logistics. The jobs didn't vanish, they upskilled. The person who used to turn a wrench might now be programming the robot that does. This transition won't be seamless for everyone, and it's crucial that we don't leave anyone behind. We need strong public policies that support workers through these changes. This includes investments in retraining programs strengthening our social safety nets, and ensuring that the benefits of automation are shared broadly across society, not just concentrated at the top. It's a conversation we all need to be a part of, with our employers, our communities, and our governments. So, will robots take over? The simple answer is no. They will take over tasks, not jobs. They are powerful tools that will change how we work, and in many cases make our work more interesting, creative, and impactful. The future of work in Canada isn't a dystopian landscape of unemployed humans. It's a future where we work alongside technology, leveraging its power to solve bigger problems and focus on the skills that make us uniquely human. It's a future of continuous learning and adaptation. The challenge is ours to meet, and honestly, it's a pretty exciting one. The future isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we build together. By staying informed, being proactive about our skills, and advocating for supportive policies, we can shape a future of work that is prosperous and fulfilling for all Canadians. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments below. What changes are you seeing in your industry? Are you excited or worried about the future? Let's get a conversation going. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content just like this. See you in the next one.